Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to enable the battery saver in your Xiaomi Mi 9. The operation is easy to do. Just slide the upper bar one time and second time, go to the right, and here you have an icon of your battery saver. Just tap it and hold it, and you have a many place option of your phone. Of course, you can enable it by clicking on this option. As you see, you have a restrict and activate off system app, freeze apps in the background, clear cache wherever device is locked, turn off background service like GPS or to save battery. You can turn off when charged at 60%, as you see as the option. And of course, you can schedule it. It's not of course, because I see this option only in Xiaomi. So you can tap it and schedule the bath time. And that's it. If you tap it battery saver, your phone gonna be working much longer. So, of course, if you want, you can activate, just press it on it instantly. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!